Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a video just showing what I got today at Joann's. First of all, I don't go a lot to Joann's. I'm not there all the time. That's not like my store. Just today I happened to go because I just felt like going. Plus I needed to get materials because I did get this new sewing machine. I'm so excited to use. I'm going to go ahead and insert some clips. Me using this. We're going to do this together. We're going to see how this goes. So I don't know anything about sewing. I don't know anything. I just know you need a machine and a couple of stuff that I did get. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous. I'm pretty excited, but I have been watching a ton of YouTube videos, and I mean so many. And I'm also going to be watching one while I do it too, because I'm a visual learner and I need to see how they do this. But I am learning for the first time today, and you're learning with me. Whew, okay, that was a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the haul. So the first thing that I got, that I'm going to show is this pajama elastic. Oh, by the way, I'm so sorry. My voice sounds really gross because I've been so sick. So I'm terribly, terribly, terribly sorry that you have to listen to me. And third, if you hear some laughter, it's my sister. She's right there. We do share a room together, so, it is what it is. So, like I said, this is the elastic because I am going to be trying to make pajama pants today. So, I did get elastic, thicker one. I think I got it a little bit too thick than what I had wanted to, but I can always just cut whatever I don't want off. I also got a smaller elastic, which they look like these. Oops. They look like this, and I wanted to try to make scrunchies also. So I got that. I also got these little scissors and these bigger scissors. These were a steal because I usually sell these just by itself, like one, and they have a pack of two. I mean, this is just basic colors. They're cheaper if you get the ones that are all nice and pretty and with a cute design. There's so much more. So I just got this pack. They all do the same thing. But I do like this brand because they're really sharp scissors for fabric and they cut really nice. And it helps me keep a straight edge. So I really do like these scissors. And then these ones, I haven't tried them, but I got them because I saw in a lot of videos that when you start sewing and you need to cut the thread, that if you were to use these bigger scissors, it would become dull. So then I got these little baby ones for the thread. Which, speaking of thread, I did get 3, I don't really know what these are called. I don't know what they're called, just thread. I'm self-taught, so I don't know what the heck I'm doing. But I did get a black, white, and gray one. So you can see. Sorry, my first haul, so bear with me. I got 3. That's all that matters. And then I also got this tomato, which is to hold my pins. I know it looks kind of funny, but it's just a cushion to hold my pins. They have different sizes. They have one you could put on your hand. They have one that's a medium-sized one. But the reason why I got a big one was because eventually I'm going to need more and more pins. So I just thought, might as well just get a big one so later on I don't have to buy a bigger one. So, I don't know. I just got this one. And plus, it wasn't that much. The cents between the middle one and that one weren't that much. So, I just got that one. And then I also got these pins. Oh, sorry. They look like this. You know, the clothespins that you put. It's like to pin one side and the other side together. So, I got some of those because I didn't have any. And then I also got this measuring tape or whatever. And then the most important thing that I got was the fabric. So I got this Christmassy one because I'm gonna make pajamas, like I said. And then this is fabric that was on clearance. I don't know, it was just I needed one on clearance and the soft one, so I just picked this one so I can make scrunchies, hair ties, hair scarves, etc, etc, etc. So yeah, my nice one, and then my whatever one. So I got 2 yards in this one, and I got 1 yard. I think I got a little bit too much. Hopefully I can make some more than 1 pair of pajama pants because that would be pretty cool if they come out nice. And then this is just, like I said, just scraps. So that's pretty much all I got at Joann's, my haul. So then we're gonna go ahead and try to set this up. We're gonna figure this out together because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So we're gonna do that together. Hey guys, sorry that you're at a weird angle. This is the only way that I could put it so you can see what I'm doing. Like I said, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and first start off with putting the pins in here. That way I can get rid of this.
Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. Missing someone. Normal. I am sad and so low.
Everyone falls down.